Hello guys, welcome to GH Crypto Guy on YouTube. I'm going to start calling everybody the GH Crypto Guy Army or the Crypto Army. I'm not sure yet. But today I'm going to be talking to you about Solana because it's good for your soul. Okay, that's a bad pun, but anyway. Welcome guys to this exciting video. We're going to be talking about how to set up a Solana desktop wallet and then the Solana mobile wallet. So a lot of people have been talking about DeFi and decentralized finance, and people are talking about NFTs. One of the things you need to know is that for you to interact with these particular new trends, DeFi, NFTs, metaverse, you need to choose a blockchain. So there are different blockchains. The popular ones are Ethereum, very popular. We have Binance Smart Chain, Binance Coin, the Binance ecosystem. We have Solana that has the Sol coin, and all of these blockchains have different things that you need to understand. For you to be able to use any of these platforms, you obviously need to have a wallet. And a lot of people get confused because this is not just having a wallet on an exchange. So for example, you can send yourself Sol from Binance wallet to FTX wallet on an exchange. No. That's not what we are talking about. We are talking about setting up a wallet that allows you to interact with the Sol blockchain. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video, and it's going to be really great. So please subscribe if you haven't, because in 2022 we are doing DeFi, NFTs, metaverse, all the new trends, and click the notification bell icon to get my next video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Let's get right into the video. As I said in the intro, we are going to learn how to get started with Solana by getting a desktop wallet and a mobile wallet. So I'm going to make this very easy for you. If you are using desktop, check the timestamp in the description and just move to the desktop side. If you are using mobile wallet, move to the mobile wallet section. But before that, a couple of things you need to note. You need to take your wallet security very seriously. Don't go posting your passphrase or your secret phrase everywhere. If people have access to your secret phrase, they then have access to your coins, and those are hard-earned coins. It's not just because they're hard-earned, but because they could be worth so much in the future. So I don't want you to lose it, right? So please be careful about that. We're going to be looking at how to set up a wallet on mobile and how to set up a wallet on desktop. We are going to be looking at Phantom and other mobile wallets that you can set up. By the time we are done with this, you should be able to have a wallet, and you should also be able to send money or Solana from one Solana wallet to the other, and you should also be able to receive Solana into your wallet. So these are the things that you should be looking out for by the time we are done with this video. So let's get into the tutorial. The part where I show you how to get a Solana wallet on desktop. Because of the growing scams on various DeFi platforms, on various social media platforms, I have this neat trick I do where before I use an application, I go to the Twitter account, the official Twitter account, make sure it's the official Twitter account of the project, and I just click on the link in the description, so I know I'm not just clicking some miraculous link, right? So this is Phantom Wallet. It is the go-to wallet for most people who are using Solana and want to interact with the Solana blockchain, DeFi platforms, NFTs, metaverse, whatever it is. So you can have the Phantom Wallet at the time of recording on desktop. There's a mobile app that would be released in January 2022, and I'll do a video to show you how to use that. But for now, what you have to do is to decide what browser you're going to put this on. So I'm on Brave, so I'm going to click on Brave. Brave is a cryptocurrency browser. I'll do a video about that also shortly. And then I'm going to click on Add to Brave. So add extension. It has been added. So now that it has been added, when you go to your extensions, you see that you have Brave, and I would pin it at the top so I can always access it. Now you have to create a new wallet. That is if you don't have any Solana wallet at all. But if you have an old Solana wallet and you want to use that on Phantom, you can click on use seed recovery. So use secret recovery phrase. Sorry, not seed. Use secret recovery phrase. And then you can type the 12 or 14 word secret phrase. But because you are new, we are going to click on create new wallet. And this is going to be the secret recovery phrase. This is just for the tutorial. I will not be using this wallet, so don't bother yourself about checking it to see if there's funds in it. There will be none. We have refuse, stamp, and oven luggage, blah blah blah. What is all of this about? Someone may ask. It's very simple. It's the keys to your wallet. If you lose these particular keys, you are going to lose your wallet. If anybody has access to these particular keys, that particular person is going to be able to do whatever they want to do with your wallet. That is to send funds, to receive funds, but mostly if somebody takes your secret recovery phrase, they are most likely going to steal from you. So what this means is that you have to write this down somewhere safe, someone very, very, very safe. Don't go around sharing this on social media. This is not something you should be telling everybody about, and this is not something you should be flexing about. People have sent out very funny tweets in the past, and that has cost them. So now that you're done with that, you click on OK. I saved it somewhere, and then you have to create a password for the wallet. That means that anytime you are about to send a transaction out of the wallet, you need to use this password in order to send that transaction for this device specifically, right? So only for this device. So anytime you are using Phantom on your Brave browser, you're going to use this wallet. So Brave 3000. The 3000 comes from Iron Man saying I love you 3000 in Avengers Endgame. I agree to terms and conditions, terms of service. Continue, finish, right? So now you have a wallet. It seems like it vanished. No, it didn't. It's now up there, and that is your Solana wallet. So this is the area where you see your assets. This is the area where you see your NFTs or collectibles. This is the area where you can swap Solana tokens, so tokens on Solana, move them from one asset to the other. So I can move from SOL to USDT. This is where you check your recent activities and your transactions, and this is settings for any changes that you want to make on the wallet, right? So here's the thing. For you to accept, receive, get some transactions going, you need to deposit. And for you to do that, you have to get your Solana address. So when you click on deposit, it shows you examples of where you can buy Solana from, etc., right? But at the top of the wallet is your wallet address. So you can copy your wallet address at the top, and then you can send it to wherever you are receiving Solana from, and the Solana will be sent to you. For you to send Solana on this wallet, you can click on send, and you can decide that you want to send SOL, but you can't see anything that I can send at the moment because I don't have any tokens in the wallet at the moment, so you can't really see anything. But if you had a token and you clicked on send, it would open an interface where you can decide what you want to send, and then you enter the address and then the amount you send. But before that, you have to enter the password. So for those of you who are interested in DeFi, I'm going to show you one of the DeFi platforms, and how you can interact with DeFi on a desktop using Phantom Wallet. Okay, so I'm going to the Serum portal. Click on trade now. It's a very big ecosystem of apps, and this is Bonfida. Okay, terms and conditions. Okay, so I'm going to go for the basic. So on this particular platform, I can move my funds from one token to the other, exchange one token for another. And to use the Phantom wallet, I just need to click on connect wallet and then Phantom, and immediately it connects seamlessly by telling me what the app would do, and then I click on connect, and here we are. I am connected. So if I had tokens, I can now trade. So it's very simple. If you are entering the Solana DeFi ecosystem, this is how you do it for desktop. So now that I've already shown you how to get a Solana desktop wallet, I'm going to show you how to get a Solana mobile wallet. And we are not going to be using Phantom for this too, because as I said, Phantom doesn't have a mobile wallet at the time of recording. However, when Phantom gets a mobile wallet, it's a good alternative to what I'm about to show you. So you go to the App Store, click on the App Store, and then you search for Slop Wallet. Make sure you're downloading the right Slop Wallet. Okay, so I'm going to blur out my email for this part. And it's going to take a while to download. Open. And there we go. So Slop Wallet we are in. If you already have an old Solana wallet, a Solana wallet you were using somewhere, and you want to use that, you can easily just go ahead and click on import wallet. But first you have to agree with the terms. Import wallet, enter the private key or phrase, but we are not going to do that. We are just going to create a new wallet, because I'm trying to show you how it looks like when you are starting. Back up your phrase, so backup. So I'm going to write this down somewhere. As I said before, this is not something that you want to show off. This is definitely not something you want to be posting on social media and telling people about. That's not the way to go. This is something you want to keep safe and safe from people, because when people have access to this, they can steal from you. Having access to this means having access to your funds. So if you're watching this video, this is just for the show. I would delete these wallets immediately after, and I would never use them. Anyway, moving on. Next. So now that I'm done, it's going to ask me to rearrange them just to be sure. So we have pet, cube, loop. Okay. We have soup. We have regular, focus nephew. Yeah, focus my nephew. Token. Tonight. Nice alliteration. We have erupt, mutual, and web. Okay, so I'm done. I need to set up a password, so I'm just going to say 3000. Okay, I'm just going to do 30000, and that's it. So 30000. Okay, like to send me notifications. I want to delete this app later on, so okay, allow if you want to accept notifications. So there you go. That's your wallet. This is how it looks like. So you have your tokens for your Solana, USDC, USDT tokens, any token you buy on the Solana blockchain. Then you have your collections for any NFTs you purchase, and I'm going to show you how to purchase NFTs on Solana soon, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to send, you need to deposit SOL to send, but the point is when you click on that link, it's going to, not link, button, pardon me, when you click on that button, it's going to show you an interface that allows you to select the token you want to send, the address you want to send it to, the amount, and then after that you type your passcode and then you send. Then we have receive. This would show you the address and then the QR code. So you can scan the QR code, copy the address, and then you can give it out to whoever is sending SOL to you, or take it to wherever you're sending SOL from, to this wallet. If you want to buy, there's a MoonPay plugin that allows you to buy. It's not available in my region, that's fine. Then there's a market, an NFT market, so you can check out NFTs, buy some cool NFTs. Then there's a browser that allows you to interact with DEXs, all other forms of decentralized applications on the Solana blockchain on your mobile phone. Then there's the swap that allows you to swap tokens. So you see Solana to USDC, it could be Solana to Ray, or any other Solana based, blockchain based token. And then here's some data rankings of Solana tokens, news, if you care about that activity. But basically I've covered the basics of setting up your Solana wallet. You are ready to go now. You have a Solana wallet on your phone. So this is how it works, and I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys liked what you just saw and it was very educative. If it was, please subscribe. If you've not subscribed at this point, I really don't know what to tell you. Thank you for subscribing. Do it now. Okay, so I'm doing a lot of videos on Solana, and don't mind the dogs in the background. They just like to make noise sometimes. I'm doing a lot of videos on Solana, so please subscribe now, so you can get a lot on Solana. We're going to be talking about Solana gems. We're going to be talking about airdrops on Solana. We're going to be talking about how to make money buying NFTs on Solana, and much more. Subscribe now, and see you in the next video.